Hi there, I'm Carolyn Zallmeyer, nurse practitioner here at LowTE, Florida, and I've got the pleasure of having Dr. Derek DeSilva here with us to discuss the Common Sense Omega-30 capsules.
Omega-30, wow. This is something that is very near and dear to my heart because it's a very unique formula. The powder, it's a two-piece capsule. It comes from a green-lipped mussel. So it's not regular fish, because fish, you don't know where the fish have been. You don't know where they're swimming. You don't know what the waters are in. You don't know what toxins they're eating, et cetera, et cetera. Mussels, green-lipped mussels, are grown on a vine. They don't swim around, and they're grown in the cleanest waters of the world, which is right off the coast of New Zealand. So these mussels, they filter the water, and in that water is what is called the phytoplankton. The phytoplankton are what contains all of the nutrients, all of the EPA, DHA, and all of the fatty acids. And the reason we say omega-30 is because there are 30 fatty acids. Regular fish oil has 3 fatty acids. There are other compounds that have a little bit more, but this has 30 different fatty acids, and it's an amazing product. I use it to help support normal, healthy cholesterol levels, for brain function, for the heart, for your skin, for your nails, for your hair, and it's an unbelievable anti-inflammatory. So one of these is equal to taking between 5 and 6 regular fish oil capsules.
Wow. Okay, if you're going to take something for it, you might as well take the best, and that's what this is.
Exactly. So 2 a day. You do 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Mm-hmm. You will not get a burp with this.
No, I've been taking it.
There's no fishy burp. First of all, it's a powder, and that's the way it's been processed. And it's, again, one of my favorite products that I've ever done.
Great. Thank you, Dr. DeSilva.